Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hardtravel.com, your AMA Waterways River Cruise experts, and today I have the pleasure of being on board the beautiful AMA Serena. Now this particular category is a twin balcony. It's the larger of the two varieties, AA and AB. The only difference being that A is up on the third deck, B is down on the second deck, but the room itself is the same. Now I'm going to take you through all the space here in just a minute and review the amenities, but keep in mind when you're ready to book your next AMA Waterways River Cruise experience, make sure you reach out to Hard Travel. We are your AMA experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with AMA Waterways, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, AMA Waterways is a highly inclusive and experiential option here in Europe. What you're going to find is you'll have complimentary excursions to choose from each and every single day, a variety that go all the way from a very active one with a bike ride with some amazing tour guides, a hike, or of course you can explore all the classics with the museums and all of your favorite architectural and cultural spots here in Europe. Now, in addition to that, you're going to have an amazing culinary experience with breakfast, lunch, and dinner included each and every single day. AMA consistently wins awards for their culinary, and you even have a complimentary chef's table experience in the back of the ship. Now, if you want to see the full ship tour, we've got that on our channel along with the other rooms and suites. Now let's tour this beautiful AA cabin. Now, when you walk in the door, you're going to have the temperature controls to the side. You have a couple coat hooks on the back of the door, and you'll find the primary storage here. You've got storage up and down with the shelves, a nice large safe. You're also going to find those extra comfy AMA Waterways waffle bathrobes and slippers, and they even have a couple blankets down below if you want to utilize them for the bed or when you head out on your balcony. Now in here you're going to find the hanging storage. It goes all the way across the top, down below as well, a floor-to-ceiling mirror to get ready, and you'll see that you have two nice large umbrellas that you can utilize for your time here in Europe. Now, as we step into the bathroom, you'll find it's a really nice large size. This is one of those signatures of the twin balcony rooms. You've got a nice large vanity here with storage all the way across the top. You have storage underneath as well. And then you'll also have a magnifying mirror tucked in the corner. You do have a European plug here. Now, I always bring extra European adapters and converters, so I personally can use all the plugs in the space. You've got those upgraded bath amenities here and in the shower itself. You're gonna find the toilet tucked to the side. And I just wanted to step in here. I'm a really big guy. I'm 6'6". I fit just fine in here. You've got the rainfall shower head up above. You've got the adjustable shower wand here, a nook for amenities, and you also have the clothesline where you can pull that across. Now you'll see that beautiful marble decor all throughout, and this really unique option here is you do have a window that can let in the light. You can have it opaque like this, or you just press the button and it's going to open up to let even more light in. Now as we walk into the room, you can see it really opens up here. Space comes at a premium on a river cruise vessel, unlike something on a larger ship, and I love the amount of space that you'll have here in your twin balcony room. Over on this side, you have a really nice large writing desk that doubles as a vanity. You've got two lights up above and a large mirror here. You're going to find two European plugs over the side that you can use for charging, your mini fridge tucked underneath, and then you have storage on both sides. Now, I did want to point out these devices here. This is what you're going to utilize when you head out on tour. Now, I mentioned that AMA has quite a few complimentary tour options, some of the best guides in the entire industry, and the way you use this is really nice. They have a sign, each and every one of them. You'll tap the sign, it's going to sync up with this. You'll put your headphones in and you'll start enjoying the experience right away. What I love about that is you can wander just a little bit from the guide, still get all of the information to make it truly your own experience. Now, one little tidbit, they will provide earphones. I always bring my own because I find them just a bit more comfortable. Now you're going to find a nice large iMac that you can utilize while you're here on board. Keep in mind that Wi-Fi is complimentary, and this functions as a computer in addition to the television. You're going to have a remote control right here, so you can aim that directly at the bed. You can sit in bed and watch TV if you'd like. Though for me personally, I'm going to take advantage of that incredible French balcony and step out balcony combined and check out the amazing views as the world passes you by. Now tucked in the corner here is the French balcony and seating area. So you've got two comfortable chairs and a cocktail table. What I really like about that is maybe if you have slightly inclement weather outside or it's Christmas market time and it's a little bit cooler, You can open up the curtains here. You have the French balcony experience. You can even open that up on a beautiful day as well and get the nice fresh air inside. Now, directly across from the writing table, you're gonna find your bed. Now, it's together right now in the large configuration. Either way, you've got tons of space underneath to tuck your big bags away, and keep in mind they can separate it apart into two twins if you're traveling with friends. In that case, one of the nightstands would move to the middle to give you a little bit of extra separation of space. Both of the nightstands have really nice drawers to tuck things away. You have lamps on either side, and then you'll also have directional reading lights above so you don't disturb your partner in the evening. One last little great touch is they do have an alarm clock there. It's one of the manual ones, and I always utilize them when I'm here on board, so I make sure and wake up in time for that incredible excursion. Now let's check out the other half of the twin balcony experience. We saw the French balcony. Let's head on outside to the step out. So now we're out on your private balcony. This is that place where you can step out, take a picture, or sit, relax, and enjoy the world as it goes by, and you check out the iconic sights of Europe. Now this is that perfect place with the two chairs and a table to have a cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, have that nice breath of fresh air, and enjoy the incredible scenery. Now when you're ready to book this particular room or any room or suite with AMA Waterways, make sure you reach out to Har Travel. We are your AMA Waterways River Cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with AMA, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.